那我们那吧就，然后动动嘛就那红的，啊你嘛那红的出不呀那，那么完就那个山有些螃蟹的这些就，那么好，蘑菇啊，把它拉过。
完了我们这个跑完了。
Thất thiêm rồi, ra có thiêm.
Litan apa na jam do ho lai muna hi ni thampat khol ho he emle nun ngailu na nei ta
mi ra nung ho mi này cho ông chúng xây thể trận này nung ra chứ nung nâu mình to không vật nung to không mù nung ra thì không mù na boina hạ sát na nó ngay trận nó xỉu cho in pi họ tới đây cái đấy đủ ta chứ nè nghe in pi là cái thể hiện dùng là bôi thể dùng là nó đâm xe ra nó bỏ đồ dùng cái bao mà nha他们做一点那家，好在到处。
Pi Kimneo hi pa chan om ta hi tu chunga popular government ke sema ang chu kanam ko gama ding tia dilia hin ko wang wa chi lo hin chubanna chu Litan lang heng boi wa hi ama constituency hi lo wanga nam ngailu na jala gadellut jeng hin chutal thana chu hong jam ho nunao chapang ho munmuna ku tu hin kem li lang omin kem li lang am ho he ma hin ngailu na nei ta khatcheh kem mun che govt de he si hi ama hi cycle gam constituency se dinga mla hi kon inam wa dinga mla he ti hi apot se na khan he pa taram ta he giao lên
kita hangon go.
lung suy om ta nunao chapang ho hi ve tu nia hin thu gan thei jong leo hen si igim nau hi bu akile lo di
hạ sát nhiều để tao mai một số là cái bao
Sai cũng lên mình luôn cho. Sai cũng lên mình.
Litan boina ja hong jam do ho te se ho mla Pi Kimneo cycle constituency in ai lut na vet sa na hong vit na he
Nông một tháng. Nông nào. Em lên luôn này.
hong vong voi mla nu hong e
Em lên luôn thì hết đầu xuống nào.
So what have started as a small scuffle between three or four drunkard men has turned into some sort of, it has been represented or presented as a clash between two communities, which is very wrong. It is not a communal thing. However, some anti-social elements or some people with that kind of mindset, they are trying to present it as a clash between two communities, which is very wrong. And as you can see, I think yesterday also we had a meeting to resolve the problem with the TNL, with the Deputy CM as well, and the I think people representatives like the MLAs, circle MLAs and all. However, we could not come to any term. And it is very disheartening to see right after the meeting, I think 30-40 minutes after the meeting also, some of them have started burning 3-4 houses again, right after 30-40 minutes after the meeting. Considering that, I think things are turning pretty worse. We are trying our best. We Mongkot Chepu villagers, we are not in the picture. We were not involved in the initial fight, and just because whatever is happening is at our neighboring village, we are giving refuge to the people who have crossed over here, and we are just doing our best not to flare up the issue any longer. I had already released a press communique requesting the people not to escalate further the problem, and also not to present or misinterpret as a communal issue. Even now also we are urging the common people as well as people in officers and authorities not to picture this as a communal issue. We don't want any communal issue. We have been living peacefully since decades, since my childhood. We have been very close, and this particular incident is very unfortunate for both the communities.